Oh my god, guys, there was a bad storm happening, and look, the window is completely shattered. You know,
Oh my god, I'm freaking out, guys. I'm freaking
I know. Mimi, can we come out now? Is the storm over?
Yes.
Okay, wait, come on, let's go.
Okay.
Come on, let's go. Come on. Oh, the storm. You know what, let's go out front and see what happened. Man, the storm kind of caused some things. Wonder what happened. Man, it's all dark outside. Pumpkin was out here the whole time?
Yeah, he wants in.
Okay. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god. That's my razor. Oh my god. Whoa. Look at that over there. Look how bad the storm. Whoa, is it? Whoa, what the heck? That was. Look at this, Casey. That was from the
And look
pipe.
at my pumpkin.
I know. I don't care. But look, the literally water thing is hanging from the tree. Really, what happened? What happened over here? What happened over here? What happened? What? It broke the water thing. It totally broke the bird feeder. No, that was my favorite one. Oh, it's gotta go. On. Let's keep seeing what's going on. Good. Pumpkin's going crazy. You don't know what happened. Is that literally the table? That's the table, and it went through all these lines that are here. Wow. Look at the chair. Look at the chair. It totally flipped over. It flipped. Wait, where's our hot water? Oh! Oh, wow. It's really bad. Really, yeah, it's stuck. I can't get it. That's my Razor Crazy cart. See? Oh man, the garage door, the storm is so strong, it cracked it open. It's what? Come here. Casey, come here.
What?
Come here, look. Look, you see that? That was a big old shed. Look, it's gone. It's gone. Look at it.
Oh my gosh.
It's gone. What the heck happened over here? Is this a piece of roof? Is this a piece of the roof? Is this it's so cloudy out, guys. Is it a piece of the roof? It's a piece of roof. It's a piece of the roof. It's a piece of the roof. What the heck happened to our shed? It's gone. It's gone. By the way, we were oh my god. Look at the branch.
Hey, look, it's blowing away.
Yeah, I see that. That makes me happy. This is a storm. It actually happened. Look at that.
I know it.
The whole entire house in here. Look at that shed. Look at that whole entire house. It's destroyed. But at least our shed is still there. Oh my god. Guess I'll just be left out there. Man, all our pillows and the Razor Crazy cart. Man, this bad storm happened. Man, this is. Oh my god. Where's the handle? Is that the ring? Casey, look. The handle's gone. I can't get inside the gate. That's the handle. It totally broke off. I'm an engineer. Can you hold the camera? Hold it. Hold it. Do not drop it. I think this piece goes. Hey guys, I got these cool little beads right here. Awesome. Guys. Dang it, the gate's jammed. It won't open. We'll have to hire somebody. I'm gonna pick some stuff up real quick. It's like this water hose that broke off, and this old one that was in the backyard. What the heck? I'm gonna get this hose from the bushes. Where is it? This is actually a thorn bush, so we've got to be careful. There it is. Come on. What the heck? It's stuck. Ow. Okay. Okay, I'll clean that up later. Storm. I'm gonna flip that over. I wonder if it still works. It's gonna crack. There it is. And part of the grass is all gone. Okay. Pillows. More pillows. That led to chairs. So I'm gonna get that. I'm gonna try to see if I can get that from the tree. I got it. Oh, whoa. Almost got hurt there. This is a candle. It's broke. The lid's broke. Pumpkin, Liam's looking out the window. I'm about to set this here. By the way, it's so windy. probably gotta move this chair right here, and the rug. Okay. What about this table? Can I get this? Yes, I can. Set it where it was. Oh God. Oh God. Man, I hate when storms happen. But my beautiful bird feeder, it was broken off the tree. It was so hard. Oh God, the chain broke. The chain is broke. And look at that one. And where the heck did this one go? Where the heck did that one go? And there's only one hanging on, which is a hummingbird feeder. It's a hummingbird feeder. I'll just put this over here. Man, I really need to get that chair. It's really bothering me. Oh, why do storms have to happen like this? Oh, the camera's. Oh, Casey, you should be helping me out with this.
I'm hanging out.
You don't care about anything. I might as well set the camera down. Don't ruin my camera. Get the chair. Set it right here.
Hey guys, look at me.
Oh, give me the camera. Casey's just acting stupid. She's not even helping me with this. Well, and the clouds are all cloudy. You can see clearly storm happened. Oh man, we were hiding inside my grandma's, which my grandma's not the best place. We were playing here until a rainstorm happened. It started getting all crazy like a tornado. We were so scared. This is one of the pipes that go to that. It's like this. It's just for rain, so it doesn't have to splatter all over the concrete. They put that back together. There we go. And where's the other one over here that hit the bird feeder? I guess it flew and hit the, because I've been hearing like hitting and banging outside. So I guess this is what it was. The whole thing hit the bird feeder and banged on it until it got off. I mean, all the other bird feeders, and that one's missing a wire. I don't know how, but that one's still hanging on. This was a this broke off for whatever it is, connected. And this pillow. My happy place. This is not a happy place. This is the worst place ever. And this is where like a tornado or tsunami happened. I put the wrong pillow on. The cats were under it. Here. Put that back.
What?
Put that back. I want to see if this still works. Hey Casey. Yeah? If it does still work, I want you to video this, okay? Okay. Video me writing it.
Look at this.
I know. Casey, please. What? Casey, come on. We were in the middle. Casey, video me writing that, okay? And see if it works. Okay. The first thing I'm gonna get this hose.
Okay, it's videoing right now.
Okay. Alright guys, we'll see if this still works. I left it in the gate, so it flipped over. Right on to see if it works. It works! But let's see if it'll go. Something happened to the battery. It's not going. Okay, this thing is clearly broke. It's not gonna do anything. It's completely. It's like the battery or something got, or like a wire got snipped. Ah, it's windy. Ah, the trees are blowing so fast. Well, Casey, I think that we have to get home and see if our home's safe. Oh, God. Oh. Come on, Casey, we've got to get home. Come on. Tell Mimi. We're going back home. I think there's another storm coming in. Hopefully it's not bad as this one. Oh, my God, a piece of the grass fell. Man, I crashed my pace car. I don't know how I'm supposed to ride this home, but I guess I'll drag it. Fine pace, guys. It's going to YouTube. Windy storm. Casey, can you tell me